Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper aeroplane that aims straight. Are you ready? Let's go. First, you're going to fold your paper in half. Then you have to take it out and make half of a triangle. And then do it with the other part. And try making another triangle with both of the sides. Then you're going to take the top of the aeroplane to the bottom of the aeroplane, and then try and make it a bit lower from like how it was. Then you fold it. And then you fold it, and then you fold it down here like this, and the other way too. And then you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.